The other way that we could look at ourselves every day and every morning, I usually share this, is how you are supposed to grow yourself, especially financially, physically. Physically is health-wise, spiritually. And then, of course, we've said financially, physically, socially, and you help me there. Most of the time they disturb me. We have the finances, we have the health, we have the soul, that is the spiritual, and then we have the social. So as we get to the balance of those three ways that I've shared, the way we look at ourselves, we go back again to looking at ourselves spiritually. And this being a docket for us to be in personal growth. What is your agenda? Today we are in the middle of the year. We are in the middle of the year, and some people do not even